Hi, this is Chef Bugsy and welcome to Get Veganized. Hi, today on Get Veganized we're going to make pizza! Sweet potato flatbread pizza. I just love pizza. Alright, let's get started. Okay, I already have the crust made. Made that in the previous episode. I'm going to cut up the vegetables. On today's pizza, we're going to have onions, peppers, mushrooms, and black olives. And we'll set these to the side. Now we're going to cut up some peppers. I've chosen an orange, yellow, and green bell pepper. Okay, we'll set those to the side. Okay, here we are with the flatbread that I made the other day. First thing I'm going to do is put some pizza sauce on. Next, I will sprinkle it with the veggies. Put some onions on it. Some black olives. And some mushrooms. Right here I have some homemade vegan cashew mozzarella cheese. Just made it a couple hours ago. The recipe will be in the description below. Put some dollops of that on there. And I do like it cheesier, so I'm going to put some shreds, some mozzarella shreds on as well. Now I will stick it in the oven at 450 for 15 to 20 minutes. Okay, here we are out of the oven. It's been 20 minutes, and this is what the final product looks like. I'm going to let it cool a little bit. Cut them up, put them on a plate, and try them out. Alright, here it is plated up. Looks pretty good. Now to sample it. Super cheesy. Really delicious. Hot. Really, really good. I think I just burned the roof of my mouth. Alrighty. I hope you enjoyed the video today. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe below. Thank you. This is Chef Bugsy with Get Veganized, and I hope you enjoyed that recipe. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.